Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In recent news, Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada, commonly known as IRCC, has made significant announcements regarding changes to certain permanent residence fees. These changes are set to take effect on April 30, 2024. According to IRCC, the fee adjustments are in alignment with Canada's Immigrant and Refugee Protection Regulations, which are based on the Consumer Price Index for Canada, published by Statistics Canada. Here's a breakdown of the fee adjustments applicable between April 2024 and March 2026. Starting with the right of permanent residence fee. The fee for the principal applicant and their accompanying spouse or common law partner will increase from $515 to $575. Moving on to the Federal Skilled Workers, Provincial Nominee Program, Quebec Skilled Workers, and other economic pilots. The fee for the principal applicant will rise from $850 to $950, while accompanying spouses or common law partners will also see an increase to $950. Additionally, the fee for accompanying dependent children in these programs will increase from $230 to $260. For the Live-In Caregiver Program and Caregiver Pilots, the fee for the principal applicant will increase from $570 to $635, with accompanying spouses or common law partners also seeing an increase to $635. Accompanying dependent children in this program will see an increase from $155 to $175. In the business category for federal and Quebec programs, the fee for the principal applicant will rise from $1,625 to $1,810, while accompanying spouses or common law partners will increase to $950. Accompanying dependent children in this category will see an increase from $230 to $260. Now, let's discuss fees related to family reunification. The sponsorship fee will increase from $75 to $85. For sponsored principal applicants, the fee will rise from $490 to $545. Accompanying spouses or common law partners will see an increase to $635, with accompanying dependent children increasing to $175. For protected persons and those under humanitarian and compassionate consideration or public policy, the fees for principal applicants, accompanying spouses or common law partners, and dependent children will increase to $635 and $175, respectively. Finally, for permit holders, the fee for principal applicants will rise from $335 to $375. These fee adjustments aim to ensure the sustainability and effectiveness of Canada's immigration system. Stay informed with IRCC for further updates and announcements. We wish this information is helpful to you. Please subscribe and share your Canadian aspirants. Thank you for watching the video.